Welcome to Sifu's Guide. As a Sifu, you are entrusted with the power of supercharging YouTube videos so that they become fun and engaging Kung Fu quizzes. You can also create a quiz-only challenge without using any video or create flashcards with a question and answer format. And you can even host live quizzes for that real-time classroom engagement. This is your main dashboard, also known as your arena. Here you have quick action cards to easily select between 3 challenge modes, view the Sifu Guide for a detailed platform manual, or become the Defender of Education to unlock premium features. And to host live quizzes, use an existing quiz challenge or create a new one. The top Sifu section shows the Sifus with the most number of questions created. Visit each Sifu's profile and check out the challenges they created. Here are ready-to-play and fun quizzes from the Kung Fu quiz team, based on various themes and levels to help teachers save time. The top challenges shows the trending quizzes created and shared by the other Sifus. The Around Kung Fu Arena section shows all the quiz challenges available as per your subject preference. Simply switch between the options to browse them. And if you want to check out the pre-existing quizzes, click on it. Use the control buttons to review the video. Click on the icon to review questions embedded in the video. You can even customize the quiz and choose to use or remove the predefined questions, or add your own questions. The Challenges section is your library, where you can find all your current drafts and published challenges. You can also create a new challenge from here. Here you can choose to create a video challenge, create a quiz-only challenge without using any video, or create a flashcard with question and answer format. To create a video challenge, copy the video link from YouTube and paste it here. Add the other details, and create a challenge. Select the timestamps. Click on Add Question, and choose from 6 different question types to integrate them into your challenge. Once the challenge is set, publish it. Then, create the unique dojo for your challenge by adding the details and selecting the dojo mode. Your Kung Fu quiz is now created. Simply share the dojo code or link with your students and let them join the fun. Here you can also repurpose the challenge by creating multiple dojos with different modes for the same challenge. Game mode allows you to create an engaging game with the scores and leaderboard visible to your students. Assessment mode allows you to create challenges where the students just have to play, then closely assess their understanding and guide them to mastery with their performance insights. Feedback mode allows you to create challenges that provide students with feedback immediately after an incorrect answer choice. Live mode allows you to host live quizzes where you can present on a big screen and invite students to join by the QR, dojo code, or link. After each question, a live leaderboard appears on your screen, and at the end of the quiz, the final leaderboard is displayed on your screen. Once your student completes the quiz, you can get dojo insights for all the dojos you created with different dojo modes. Choose any one of the dojos to view its leaderboard, pass and fail stats, and challenge accuracy insights. For a more distinct and easy view, click on Dojos on the main dashboard. Here you can easily access all the dojo modes you created for all your quizzes. Similarly, you can also repurpose your quizzes into other dojo modes that best fit your teaching needs. If you wish to access premium features, go back to the dashboard and click on Become Defender of Education, or click on My Profile. Go to Subscription and click on Unlock All Features. For any further platform queries, simply reach out to our support team. Get ready to show your Kung Fu moves today and transform your teaching.